Guys, make milk with me. Come on. No. Let's milk. Let's make milk. I need to be healthy, you know that. Even though I'm 7, I need to drink milk because it's healthy, okay? And you can put any water you want, cold water or hot water. I'm going to do cold water. I think I'm going to do with this cup, but it's a slime. It's my mom's name, but it's kind of cute. So I'm going to use it. Hi, Mom. Pour the milk. That's it. Let's go. Okay. Back. I need to get the spoon. Finally, now it's time for water. Time for the milk.
Isinailalim na sa state of calamity. Ilang bahay sa Cagayan nawasak. Malalaking tipak ng bato ng bagsakan mula sa bundok sa Benguet. Kotse.
It would be so good. There's a little bit of chunks to it, but it's normal. You just need to mix it.
Ramdam sa Metro Manila. Para sa mga districts sa Quezon City, abot hanggang leeg.
Patigasan dito, mababaw pa yan.
It's better to have chunks with
Poste
it.
at billboard, pinatumbang ng malakas na hangin. Mga kalsada sa Negros Occidental nagkabitang-bitang dahil sa pagbubulang lupa.
It's so good.
Sa kasagsagan ng pananlasa ng bagyo, bunti sa Cagayan, napaanak sa daan, isang bayan doon, binaha ng banye-banyerang isda.
If you have chunks with it, because
Ang may kasagaran ng bagyong Krising at ang lagay ng panahon sa mga susunod na araw, tutukan.
forgot, I need to do my bike. Oh, there's a lot of milk that's spilled. I'm just gonna get it.
Maulang weekend mga kapuso at buong puwersang nakatutok ang GMA Integrated News sa epekto ng magdamag na ulan na dala